Hi, welcome to the Product Analytics 16.5 milestone kickoff. My name is James Heimbach, Product Manager for the Product Analytics Group here at GitLab. You'll find a link to the 16.5 kickoff page with links to these items and the Product Analytics Group direction page with discussion of our future work in the comments below the video. You can always reach me at jheimbach@gitlab.com or by commenting on items within the Group Product Analytics or with the Group Product Analytics label in the GitLab project and tagging me. So a reminder that our group is within the analytics section and stage at GitLab, and we're responsible for the product analytics visualization and the product analytics data management categories. And so during the 16.5 milestone, the theme for our group is to let customers onboard themselves. So this aligns with an OKR that we have to release the product analytics open beta. And so with open beta, we'll be allowing any ultimate customer to onboard themselves into product analytics as opposed to needing the team to do that by flipping feature flags. So that is our number one priority, is working the issues within that work to make product analytics a beta. So it'll be a toggle that users can enable or admins, namespace admins can enable. We also want to clean up some usability and functionality bugs that have popped up during our experiment from our internal customers and external folks who have been using the product. And then stress test the cluster. We may do this in a number of ways, but we really want to make sure that the cluster is going to stand up to the traffic that we expect during the beta so that we don't find out we didn't scale up fast enough because of that traffic, that we're ready for it. And then a stretch goal is part of that as well, making sure that we have some same limits in place around abuse and just making sure that the stack will stand up and that customers get a great experience because the service is available. So those are the big objectives for us over the coming couple of weeks within the 16.5 milestone. I also wanted to go back to an issue that we touched on in the 16.4 milestone, and that was getting the dashboard designer general functionality ready to go. The team has been really hard at work on this, and so I wanted to do a quick demo to show off what's been done so far and talk about what we're going to be working on next. So this is a project that I have, a demo project with dashboards in it. You can see I have a custom dashboard here already, but users will see this new dashboard button and walk through this new experience. So I'm going to say, here's the users. I just want a dashboard that is focused on how many users do we have. So if I added a total unique users and let's see, daily active users graph to that, then I could save this dashboard and it would be just those two visualizations. So we're going to start with just the visualizations that you see on the audience and the behavior dashboards. Our next step then, or iteration on this, is to expose users to the custom visualizations or the visualization designer, and then being able to save those and incorporate them into the graphs as well. So that's the next solution space that we're digging into, really going to work with customers and understand what kind of visualizations do you want to build? How do you want to group data, see data, visualize data? And then the last thing I wanted to show is if I accidentally added a extra visualization here before or in the past, you would need to actually go into the YAML, remove that, and then resave it, commit, and then it would change on your dashboard. Now, both the dashboard designer and the edit experience lets you just delete that right there in the interface. So no need to go back and forth between the YAML and your dashboards to see how that has changed it in adding or removing anything from that dashboard. So I can save this here, and now I have a dashboard for just the users. And within this interface now, I can still edit this and make this bigger. I can start to play around with where the graphs are, how big they are, and some different fun stuff like that, so that you can really customize this view to how you want it to appear for your users, and then save that. And if I go back to one other thing I wanted to call out, some great work that the team has done. The first step to getting more dashboards into our schema-driven dashboards, the value stream dashboard is now available in this list as well. So great collaboration between product analytics and Optimize to be able to pull these DORA metrics in. So for ultimate customers, you can see the value stream dashboard. It's in that list. And that aligns with our overall vision to get all of these dashboards into this view. And into a schema-defined dashboard. So it's really easy to use the visualizations, add visualizations. And this is the first step on that journey. So that is a quick overview of where we're at with the dashboard designer and the custom visualizations. If you have feedback about these issues or the dashboard designer, please ping me, tag me at jheinbuch_JL in the issues, or GL rather. And we're so excited for the 16.5 milestone and to onboard users and get feedback from you about the product analytics features. Thanks so much.